In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam error code 50. Now first what you want to do is open Steam, click on Steam up here and open up settings. In here you want to go to downloads. Now under downloads you want to find the clear download cache and press clear cache. After you've done that you want to go to storage, press here and repair library, just like that. Now another thing you can do is you can come down here and search for run, type % local app data %, just like this, open up, and from in here you want to find the Steam file. Now Steam is right here, and what you want to do is you want to delete this folder. Delete. Now obviously I have Steam open right now, so I cannot. So what you want to do is come down here and go to Task Manager. In here, find Steam. You can go to Details, sort by name, press S, and look for Steam. And make sure you end task on all Steam related things. Now after you've done that, simply delete the Steam folder. And don't worry, nothing's gonna happen because it's gonna regenerate when you open Steam anyways. So basically those are the two ways that you can fix the issue right now that I know of. For a last thing, something that you can try, I'm not sure if it works, but you can repair the Steam. So just come here and search for Steam, right click on it, open file location. In here you want to find the Steam, properties, copy this one, go to run, enter, and paste it, and then space / repair. Now this is gonna run Steam in a repair mode, and this might also solve the issue. Like I said before, I know the first and second method has worked for many people, and the first one worked for me, but this might also fix it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.